I love riding dirt bikes. I got my first dirt bike when I was 5 years old, and by the time I was 6, I knew I wanted to race motocross. So I started training every day on and off the bike, and started to win some local championships. At 8 years old, I got second overall at area qualifiers in St. Louis, Missouri, with the fastest lap time in my class. Got to take a cool trip to Wisconsin and got to race at Tyerton and Mex for Loretto Lynch Regionals. And it was crazy. And when we got home, my dad got me a new 65, and I've been training with Carter Stevenson, number 824 at the Miser Farm. They got a sweet track. It's got big jumps and rollers everywhere. I invite you to come join the 2026 journey with me, and make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.
Mark and Carson having some
Behind the
fun.
gate.
First time at regionals. We made it to Wisconsin.
I got you.
Jump in for sure.
No, I didn't. Wait, let's see if Edwin's is up there.
Is it up there?
Nope, I don't got it yet. Not yet. Down at Game Moto picking up a 65. I guarantee Edwin's somewhere up there though.
You're killing this turn. Seriously. I couldn't ask for anything better. That's exactly why I had you go show it to us. So he's coming in.
Remember to like and subscribe, Moto Mark 819.